Hello friends, day 97, and it was a bit chilly this morning. When I woke up it was 4 degrees Celsius. Brr. Anyway, it did warm up fairly quickly and we got to the dizzy heights of 20 or 21 during today. Fabulous views again as I came off Rannoch Moor and then came along a bit of road and came over another section with no path and a bit boggy, but only a couple of miles this time and not too boggy. Hopefully that'll be the last of those now. And then I got into Bridge of Balgie just as the tea shop was closing, but they took pity on me and gave me some quiche and a piece of rocky road. Lovely. So that was my dinner tonight. Not much else to report. Didn't meet many people today. So take a look at where I was and see you on the trail. This is my room with a view tonight. Not quite as splendid as last night, but it does have the advantage of having its own mobile phone mast.